Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. Today I'm going to do another clean and decorate with me again. Yes, my fireplace is finally here, so I'm going to put everything together. That's the garland that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and most of the stuff that I have here right now, the ornament, the Christmas, most of them come from Hobby Lobby. And have my new TV, my new fireplace, and those are DIY that I made. I purchased them Dollar Tree, and I add some glitter on it. I love glam stuff, so I have to make it my taste. Okay, guys, let's get started. I'm removing everything because in the corner by the floor lamp, that's where I'm going to put my new fireplace. So I have to create room so I can put it right there. Everything that I use, I'm gonna put it in the description box down below. If you guys want to check it out, feel free. And this video, I cut it a lot because I don't put really everything that I did, because the fireplace take me forever. Forever. This thing take me almost the entire day to build. This Garland, I got it from Hobby Lobby. They were like 50% off. I ended up paying like $10 each. It was a good deal. Most of my videos, I make them at nighttime because I'm trying to uh, upload, to make videos during daytime, but it's not really easy because I work in the morning, and then I have school too. So whenever I have my only day off, so I have to make sure to make some videos. So unfortunately, I cannot post that much every week, but I'll try my best to at least to post as much as I can. And even though if I have to do the video at nighttime, so I will do so just to post more videos for you guys. I use command jumbo plastic hook to hold the gallon into the wall. I use 3 of them, 1 in the middle and 2 each side. Okay guys, I'm gonna let the video play, but before I go, I just want to welcome everyone that are new to this channel, and it's great to have you here. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe, okay, before you leave. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and like I said, everything that I use, I'm gonna leave it in the description box down below. So I'm going to talk throughout the video, but for now I'm gonna let the music play. Now I'm putting the ribbon on my garland. I didn't want to put that much, so I'm using only two, gold and silver. So I put them together. As you can see, I use the same garland to tie it together. Oh my God, it's a lot of work for me, I'm telling you. Well, I'm finished with my garland. That's the part I'm going to put the house together. Okay guys, that's the finished look. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I hope to see you guys on my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.